So can you get what I got on my truck? Of course you can.
Everything that we use in Jace's trucks is straight off the shelf and the customer can buy exactly the same. It's not something that's modified or anything, it's off the shelf, put in, and that's what you use.
So this is the way it works. Your suspension is a whole package. Why? Because everything works in with each other. Just tell them what truck you're riding, how much weight you want to carry and where you want to go. The rest, the experts will do.
We like to ask a lot of questions. What sort of weights they're carrying, their expectations. And then we go through the process of selecting which springs and shock absorbers will do the job. We have 3 different shocks that we can choose for most cars, but their damping forces are all very similar. Just the length of time that they'll control those forces is greater with the bigger body, the more oil, bigger piston. And you might have noticed on a lot of Jace's trucks that we use the XTRs. They're in the bush a lot, obviously, and the ambient temperatures are usually very high. With a bigger body shock absorber, greater volume of oil, you get better cooling and more control over a longer period of time. So we choose the XTR in Jace's trucks for that reason, for the extra control. With a spring, they'll have a resonant frequency, and the damper is going to control that frequency. Leaf spring carries weight. Cobb & Co used them, they were made out of wood back in the day. So leaf spring's always been used for carrying the weight. And coil springs, well, it's smoother.
It doesn't matter what you got because EFS have developed a suspension system for just about every 4-wheel drive there is on the market. EFS is for the adventurer. That's the beauty of EFS, and it's not going to break your bank. I wouldn't go anywhere without EFS aftermarket suspension.